42nd Street. Here in New York, you have to know how to walk long. Pag hindi ka marunong maglakad ng mahaba, huwag ka na pumunta ng New York kasi aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam. Walkable dito. Walk, 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 walk. Mas maganda nga dito.
And again, next and final stop is St. George.
Going to Staten Island, overlooking New York City. Kapit tayo, kapit, malikot ng tubig. Malikot ng tubig. Oh, yan na, akin na. Ito, video to ah. Video ba? Oh, ito na, video to. Yung isa pang short. Oh, saan dyan si Liberty? Oh, hello, hello to Liberty. Oh, yan. Yung anak ko, binibidyo tayo. Kalukuhan natin dalawa. Staten Island dock of ferry boat. Oh, meron na palang mga mall dito. Dati wala pang mall dito. Meron na rin palang mall. Okay, we're going down. We're going out to Staten Island. Staten Island, bye-bye. There's a history of that. So we're going to explore downtown of Manhattan. 79 Street is the next one. 79 Street going to Midtown, New York City. Ano kami, ayan, magugulo kasi hindi kami naka-depart doon sa original na destination. Nagsara na yung pinto, palabas pa lang kami, nagsara na pala, pabalik dito sa another destination. O di, nakalibre. Minsan yung katangahan pay off din. Punta kami Midtown. Oo, alam mo mas maraming view yan kasi Hudson. Downtown na ito. Oh, take off na kami dito. Ano nga ba ito? Downtown o Midtown? Nasa Midtown na kami ng New York. Iba-iba ang view niyan na akala nyo magkakapareho lang, magkakaibang lugar to. Bagay sila magtita, oh. Walang tugtog. Yung isa taga-Masid.
Alright, he'll be here soon.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Take your own. This address?
Yeah, here.
Noon kasi, pag ganyan na rumagasa ang mga ano.
Yun ang tanong ko. Eh kasi nga computer eh. Oh, may istorya yan, sombrero na yan, ha? There's a history of that. Okay, Philippine Embassy. Anybody that doesn't know where they are located in Fifth Avenue? Philippine Embassy. This is where they are. That's the entrance. Okay, what is the number of this? It's between 45 Street. Okay, I'm going to show you the street. It's there between 45 5th Avenue. Okay, this is the surroundings. 5th Avenue, Barnes and Nobles. That's Barnes and Nobles in the front. 5th Avenue, there you go. Between 46 and 45 Street. So this is Philippine Embassy. Oh, if you don't know where they are located, this is where their entrance is. That's the entrance. Let's go New York City Friday. Look how busy this can be. Alright, hanap-hanap ka ng space where to walk. My children will follow. This is New York City. The city that never sleeps. Busy, busy, busy people. Woo, hinihingal na ako. So old for this. Well, it's raining. I don't think this is gonna be fun out walking. Rainy, rainy, rainy. See, that's 46th Street. So many food, you will not get hungry. Every corner, every block. Look at that food everywhere. The wheels on the food wheels. They're every corner. Now looking for a train to meet Adele for lunch. Sana nak. Look at that bike to rent. Sexy niya ha.